Police station, come speaking.
What's up, dumb dog?
Sorry?
You spineless fuck.
What'd you say?
You're a fucking pig.
Yeah, righto.
You fucking dumb cunt.
Why's that?
I hope you fucking rot in hell and that's on your mother's head.
Yeah.
So fuck off.
Where are you calling from?
So fuck off, Gronk.
Oh, Amanda. Probably should put your phone number on private before you call a police station and start swearing at us.
Nah, bro. You fucking flog.
Not real smart, is it?
What's up, dumb dog?
Yeah. Are you home at the moment? Maybe I'll send police around to you.
Pig.
Well,
Come to my place.
yeah, alright. I'll send police there for.
Well, come to my place.
Thanks, Amanda. See you later.
Impostering them.
Excuse me.
Hello, Amanda. How are you?
You're a fucking pig.
You
would have a...
What can I do for you, Amanda?
Who can it
what, sorry?
be now? The police are over on their way.
What are you up to, Amanda? You been drinking?
Yep. My daughter is actually a prostitute. Yeah.
Yeah? What about her?
She's a motherfucking hooker.
Is there anything I can do for you, Amanda?
You're Sergeant Maloney, are
You're
you?
just going to keep calling the police station. Pardon?
I wasn't talking to the police today.
Amanda, is there anything I can do for you?
You dickhead. I can't, seriously, I cannot give you $500 for your fucking little cock in my hole. I wouldn't even fucking piss on you if you were on fucking fire, motherfucker.
Where are you living at the moment, Amanda?
Fuck off. Fuck off, dog. Fuck off, dog.
You end it? No, I'm going to.
Excuse me.
Constable speaking.
I'm doing dog.
Excuse me.
Police station, come speaking.
I'm a coke whore.
Excuse me.